In this video, I'll show you how to play B-Hop in CS2. First, open CS2 and go to the main menu. To practice B-Hop, it's a good idea to either use a custom map designed for B-Hop or find a community server that focuses on B-Hop practice. You can find these maps by clicking on the play button, then going to the community server browser and typing B-Hop in the search bar. Once you're in the B-Hop server or map, the goal is to move your character forward while jumping continuously. To start, hold down the W key to move forward. As soon as you jump, quickly strafe left or right using the A or D keys, and while you're strafing, use the mouse to guide your character in the direction you want to go. The key to successful B-Hop is maintaining your speed while jumping and strafing. Timing and mouse movement are very important. To gain more speed and perform consecutive jumps, you'll need to practice the rhythm of jumping and strafing. It's important to avoid pressing the forward key too much after the initial jump, as it can slow you down. Now keep practicing your timing and eventually you'll be able to chain several jumps together.